We're going camping, relaxing, and cooking some good food with the power of the sun. No batteries or fuel source required. And this solar oven from GOSUN comes shipped to your door with everything you'll need to cook and eat some good food too. Inside the box, you have some silicone cooking trays, a travel bag, a cleaning brush, and then your solar grill. To get started, unzip your solar grill and unfold it. Peel off the protective wrap from the sides and remove the plastic wrap from inside the cooking tube. Unfold the kick-out stand from the back so the solar grill can stand freely. Then angle it towards the sun. There's a little bubble sundial on the front. When the sun hits it, it'll cast a shadow inside the dial. You want this dot to be centered for maximum sun coverage. And when the oven is in direct sunlight, it cooks your food surprisingly quickly. Take out your cooking tube and place in your cooking trays. You can cook just about anything in this. I've cooked brats, and although they looked boiled, they were cooked all the way through and tasted great. I've cooked veggies like potatoes, carrots, and onions. Those came out so tender and was an awesome healthier snack. And I've even cooked hot dog shaped burgers and put the burgers in hot dog buns to eat. You gotta get creative now if you're cooking in a tube. That being said, this is their base model, and they have bigger options available if you're looking to feed more than yourself. The great thing about this is, I don't have to pack a bulky camping grill and fuel source. I didn't need to bring pie irons and can just use this handy fold-out grill. You could also use this for backup, for when the fuel on your camping grill inevitably runs out. As long as there's sun, you can cook. It even works on overcast days. It'll just take longer to cook. You can even use it to make warm drinks. Just be sure to rinse out the meat juice first. Then when you're done, it quickly collapses down and stores inside your travel bag so you can carry it hands-free. Cleanup is easy too. It comes with a scrub brush that is the perfect fit. Give it a rinse and a little scrub. Leave it out to dry and you're ready for next time. This has been a great addition to my camping and outdoor arsenal. I've been really interested in solar options lately, and cooking alternatives are no different. Now I can save money and not have to buy as much fuel, and I can still eat great during my trips. So if you're looking for a fun new way to cook and experience solar energy, this solar grill might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go eat dinner. It's looking delicious. See ya.